Oh my gosh, that's awful.
Hey guys, it's Troy with DIY Home and Auto. In this episode, me and Tavish get to work on the 79 Ford again. We start tearing apart the interior. We're gutting that and getting ready to replace floor pans, etc. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Tavish.
We're getting the seat out right now, and yeah.
So we got the bench seat out and Tavish is removing the door sills. We're going to get they call it a carpet kit, but it's rubber mat removed so that we can see exactly how bad the floor is in this thing. Kid's not messing around today.
Nope. I think I gotta rip it.
That's fine. Oh, you gotta remove that ring from around the gear shift too.
Excuse me. I'll just cut it again, it's easier. Gross.
Nasty.
Yeah.
See the Mountain Dew I spilled in here way back in the day.
Somebody spilled something.
Yep, that's what that is. There was a crack in there and I had spilled my Mountain Dew. And that's probably what ate through, because that stuff's nasty. Okay,
Should
so
we rip out all this stuff too?
yeah, all this stuff's coming out too.
What about this wiring?
Speaker wire comes out. We'll run all new if we're gonna do this again.
Well, this thing is unhooked anyway.
That's nasty. Luckily, that's just surface rust. Oh, we can deal with this stuff. That's good news.
Oh my gosh, that's awful.
Oh, it's so awesome. That's why we got whole new pans.
So gross. You can see how bad that is. It looks bad from the bottom, but from the top it's like different. Look at that. That's insane. Good thing we're replacing those. But we're getting pretty deep into this thing. It's gonna be awesome when it's done.
So we took the bench seat out so that we could get the flooring out, which is right there, and then Tavish is going to start axing on the rust underneath on the floorboards and whatnot. But as we flipped the seat over, We found the build sheet for the truck, and of course that's upside down, but it's so destroyed that we'll never be able to salvage it. But I'm just gonna leave it there, you know, in tattered shreds, just so that it's always there. No reason to take it out at this point, but it's pretty cool. It's just a part of history. This truck will never be worth, you know, a numbers matching restoration or anything like that. So just kind of a cool little piece to the story. The build sheet from an old truck. In fact, it's starting to just blow away in the wind. I'm gonna be as careful as I can and see if we can just leave it there. It's pretty cool though. Yikes. So remember when we first discovered that rust from underneath? That is the carpet from above that you can see right there. The whole floor is just gone. That's on the driver's side. I mean, it is just all the way through. I'm trying to show you my boot through the hole. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but when you see it in real life, man, that is just a gaping hole. Tavish has been attacking this rust. We're trying to see how far back we need to go to replace. We've got to get clear back up underneath there. We've got a floor pan that goes clear up underneath the pedals if we needed to. I don't think we'll have to go quite that far. But the rest of it looks really good. Got some surface rust in places that we'll still have to deal with. But, man, what a work in progress. I've been working on getting the seat cover all tied down, so it's tied on. I've got a couple more strings to put on yet, and then that's done. We'll get that set off to the side in the garage, so we don't have to worry about it. I do still leak oil. I'm hoping that it's just out of the oil sending unit. I've heard that that's a very common issue on the 351s. But this is a fun little project that me and Tavish are working on together. It's very nice to have him home and helping me again so we can make some progress. Tavish and his buddies getting ready to go party it up on a Saturday night. What's up, Tavish?
We're taking off the cover of the truck and we're gonna see what's on the inside. My friends are gonna help me.
Friends?
Yeah.
Lots of friends.
Yeah. Ooh, sexy. Oh,
A sneak peek at what else we have going on. I'm not supposed to see that yet.
but that's okay. It seems pretty
That's
dope.
on the next video.
I still love the tires.
I like the tires a lot.
Tires look so sick.
For real. Graduation gift.
Yeah, she's gonna be pulling baddies.
The front dash looks good.
The front dash as opposed to the back dash.
Nice, man. There's luxury seat.
Yeah. Luxury. Comfy. It's like a Fred Flintstone car with the hole in the bottom.
Fall out the bottom.
You just gotta run.
That'd actually be so funny.
That's like perfect though. It's like right where my. We should bust out the whole thing and just let me stand there.
Just went around town.
Okay, Tavish, give us an outro for the video.
What do I say?
Links down below, whatever you want. What do I say?
Like, hey guys, this sounds
Oh, here we go.
Oh, wait, no, I'm not ready.
Come on!
He's like, okay, I can't handle the pressure. Alright, thanks for watching this video, you guys. Make sure you like and comment, subscribe, do all this stuff. Check the links in the description. And this is probably the last time I'm going to be on camera because I'm going to be heading out to North Carolina. But
True. Tavish got reassigned almost immediately after we recorded this video.
yeah, so I'll be gone for another year-ish, a little over a year. But I'm pretty sure Dad will be working on the truck some more, and there'll be some content coming for you guys soon. Peace.